Have you ever wondered if autism is genetic? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and families for decades. Autism Spectrum Disorder, or ASD, is a complex neurodevelopmental condition. It affects communication, social interaction, and behavior. While the exact causes of autism remain a mystery, research increasingly points to a strong genetic component. The evidence for a genetic link to autism is substantial. Studies involving twins have consistently shown a much higher concordance rate for autism in identical twins compared to fraternal twins. This suggests that genes play a significant role in ASD susceptibility. If one identical twin has autism, the other twin has a much higher chance of also having autism compared to fraternal twins. Further solidifying the genetic connection is the observation that autism tends to run in families. If a child is diagnosed with ASD, there is an increased likelihood that other family members may also have autism or exhibit autistic traits. While this familial clustering provides compelling evidence, it's important to note that genetics is not the sole determinant of autism. For many years, scientists have been working tirelessly to unravel the genetic underpinnings of autism. Their goal is to identify specific genes that contribute to the development of this complex condition. This pursuit has led to remarkable breakthroughs in our understanding of ASD. A groundbreaking study published in 2022 sent ripples through the scientific community. Researchers identified a staggering 134 genes directly linked to ASD. This unprecedented discovery was the result of analyzing the largest complete genome set of autism ever assembled, known as MSSNG. To achieve this feat, researchers used a technique called whole genome sequencing, or WGS. This powerful tool allows scientists to examine an individual's entire genetic makeup. By comparing the genomes of individuals with ASD to those without the condition, researchers can pinpoint genetic variations associated with autism. The study revealed that many of the genetic variations linked to ASD involved changes in the number of copies of certain genes. These alterations, known as copy number variations or CNVs, can disrupt the delicate balance of gene expression in the brain. Even small changes in the number of copies of critical genes can have profound effects on brain development and function. Interestingly, the study also found that some of the genetic variants associated with autism were quite rare, appearing in only a small percentage of individuals with ASD. This finding highlights the genetic heterogeneity of autism, meaning that different combinations of genes can contribute to the condition. While genetics undoubtedly plays a fundamental role in autism, it's crucial to recognize that genes are not destiny. Environmental factors also contribute to the development of ASD, interacting with genes in complex ways. Scientists use the term gene-environment interaction to describe how genetic predisposition and environmental exposures can work together to influence an individual's risk for a particular condition. In the case of autism, several environmental factors have been implicated as potential contributors. Exposure to certain medications during pregnancy, such as valproic acid, has been linked to an increased risk of ASD in offspring. Additionally, advanced paternal age at conception has also been identified as a potential risk factor. However, it's important to note that these environmental factors likely interact with an individual's genetic makeup to influence ASD risk. Further research is necessary to fully elucidate the complex interplay between genes and environment in autism. Understanding these interactions could pave the way for developing targeted interventions and support strategies. Advancements in genetic sequencing technology have revolutionized our ability to study complex disorders like autism. Genetic testing can now identify specific genetic variants that may contribute to an individual's ASD. However, it's essential to approach genetic testing for autism with sensitivity and caution. Genetic information is deeply personal, and the results of genetic testing can have significant implications for individuals and families. Genetic counseling is crucial for helping individuals understand the potential benefits, limitations, and ethical considerations associated with genetic testing for autism. Genetic counselors are trained professionals who can provide guidance and support throughout the testing process. The discovery of 134 genes linked to ASD marks a significant milestone in autism research. It provides further evidence of the strong genetic component underlying this complex condition. While there is still much to learn, ongoing research promises to unlock new mysteries and lead to more effective interventions and support for individuals with autism.
Did you like the video? Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new content. See you in the next video.